back. I think I got cut off there. And then 6 plus 1 is 7. So if you look back over this way at the, let me make it bigger also. I think I can do that. Let's try. There we go. Okay, so if we look, they did the same thing. They filled in the wholes, the tenths, and then hundredths. And then the way that they're going to do it, they're going to do it a little bit differently. Instead of counting up all the tenths at once like we did, they counted them up over here and then over here. So first thing they did is they totaled up the holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. And then they totaled up the tenths over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tenths over there. And then they did the tenths down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tenths. And then these 8 hundredths. But once again, when you add everything together, it's 7 and 48 hundredths. Same thing we got over here with our algorithm, which always works. And then, same thing we got from getting 6 holes, 14 tenths, and 8 hundredths. So let's take a look at another one. 1 and 6 tenths times 4 and 2 tenths. So we're going to do the same thing. Let's start off with the algorithm because it always works. So 1 and 6 tenths times 4 and 2 tenths. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 1 is 3. Second line, 1's place, 0. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 2 is 6. So when we add that together, it's 672. We have 2 decimal places in our problem, so we need 2 decimal places in our solution. So should be 6 and 72 hundredths. All right, so we're going to go ahead and draw this. I'm going to start with 1 whole and 6 tenths over here. Remember, quick pictures, just squares and lines. And then we'll do 4 and 2 tenths over here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 tenths. All right. And then once again, we're going to want to make at least our even groups. So there's 2 even groups of 1 and 6 tenths. There's 3 even groups of 1 and 6 tenths. There's 4 even groups of 1 and 6 tenths. But now we're making 2 tenths of a group of 1 and 6 tenths. And that's going to look a little different. When you cross a tenth and a tenth, you get a hundredth. All right, so once again, let's count our holes. 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. All right. Let's count our tenths. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26 tenths. We have 4 holes, 26 tenths. And then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 hundredths. So we're going to have to regroup a little bit this time. All right. Remember that that's 1 tenth. So we actually have 36 tenths if you're thinking about it, right? So 4 holes, 36 tenths would be 3 and 6 tenths. And then we could still keep our 2 hundredths. So emoji zeros will help us there. I think what did I do? Sorry. 2 and 6 tenths, and then there's 12 hundredths. There we go. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, so 0, 0, 2 is 2. 6 plus 1 is 7. And then 4 plus 2 is 6. Oops. And drop our decimal point like it's hot. And we have 6 and 72 hundredths. So as you can see, we had 4 holes. We had 26 tenths, which is the same thing as 2 and 6 tenths. And then we had 12 hundredths. Let's say 1 in the tenths place and a 2 in the hundredths place. So we get the same answer. They did it a little bit differently. They added the 24 tenths and then the 2 tenths. We just got the 26 tenths, but we got the same answer. So go ahead and try this one, and we'll check it